Hey friends, this is Atif of your Val and welcome to the new update on Oasis. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that Oasis has recently broken out another falling wedge pattern. And this was my last video, by the way, this one that I shared almost 1 day ago with you. Now, if you take a look at the live chart, and this was a falling wedge pattern, let me to take you to the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several weeks or months, it has been moving inside this wedge. While moving inside this wedge, first we found this downtrend and resistance, and after the breakout, the price and reached resistance of the wedge got rejected. Then we found another downtrend and resistance. And I was telling you that as soon as the price and breaks out this resistance, then we may see another attempt to break out from this wedge. And you can see that after the breakout from this resistance, the price and imminently moved at the resistance of the wedge. And after several attempts, finally broke out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. Now, recently, we have found another uptrend line resistance here. You can see that for the past several days or weeks, the price is getting rejected by this uptrend line resistance on the daily time frame chart. And now we need to also break it out. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this big and long-term descending triangle. And this breakout has happened on the 7 days time frame chart. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Oasis that I shared a few days ago on 9th of November 2024 with my members. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Oasis that I shared a few days ago, 9th of November 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reverse Gartley pattern that Oasis formed with US dollar pair on a 1 hour time frame chart. And this was a complete trade signal, the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line nicely moved up from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target. And this was a very powerful pump, by the way. Now let's move to the live chart. And on the daily time frame chart, you can see that for the past stable month, since after the month of January 2024, it was moving inside this Fed. We had a bounce here, rejection here, bounce, rejection, bounce, another bounce here, rejection, 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 and finally the price and broke out the resistance. But now recently we have found another uptrend line resistance that the price and is not able to break out since after August 2024. For the past several weeks, you can see that it is getting rejected by this uptrend line resistance. In fact, we found this resistance here. First rejection we had here in the month of August, almost in the first week of August 2024. And then we had on 24th of August, then we had in the month of September, then we are having this recent rejection almost 2 days ago. You can see that the price is rejected by this resistance slightly higher than this resistance. We will have another quite long-term resistance of 11.5 cents. So this time if the price will be move with this resistance slightly to the upside, then we can hit both resistance levels together. And for example, if the price will be moved more down after this rejection, then it can test this long-term support of 8.5 cents. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this 8.5 cents has been recently working as a strong resistance here and support here, resistance here, resistance here. Therefore, again, it can work as a very strong support for the price line of Oasis. And if we take a look at this next resistance of 11.5 cents, then you can see that recently it has been working as a resistance here and resistance here. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line of Oasis. By the way, the target for the breakout from this falling wedge pattern is here at the top of this wedge. That is 18.5 cents, another quite long-term resistance. You can see that previously it was working as a resistance here. And before that, it was working as a very strong support here as well. And now if we take a look at the target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling, not a falling wedge pattern, a descending triangle, we have broken out here on the 7 days time frame chart. And target for the breakout from this descending triangle, the long-term technical target can be here. That will be approximately at 50 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.